Hello and welcome back. In this lesson we are going to look at something called cleaning the stack. Now there are two ways of cleaning the stack. Who cleans the stack? It can be either the caller, which is the main function, or it could be the callee, which is the child function. There are two names given to these different ways of cleaning the stack. In the situation where the caller cleans the stack, this is called the C-Decker convention, and it is referring to the C language convention. In the second situation where it is the callee or the function being called who cleans the stack, that is called the standard call convention, also known as a Microsoft API convention, because you will find this method being implemented in all of Microsoft's APIs. And APIs are nothing more than a collection of functions. In this case, Microsoft APIs are referring to the collection of all Microsoft's functions. So let's take a look at what they look like in code. In the first instance, where the main or the caller is responsible for cleaning the stack, you will recognize this code. Here is the example we did in the previous lesson, where we have two functions, the main and the child function. And here we are just trying to calculate the y equals mx plus c. So we are pushing the three values to the stack, and then we call the child function, and after the function returns, you clean the stack. So this is a line which you saw before, where you add ESP12. So 12 here because there are 3 D words. You push 3 D words to the stack, so now you have to clean it. That's why you add 12 to ESP, so that the ESP pointer will move down to the original position it was in before the pushes were made. So this is where the caller is responsible for cleaning the stack. So we call this the C-Decker convention or C-Decker call. Now let's look at the other convention, which is the standard call. So now we are going to rewrite the same code, but instead of the caller clean the stack, the callee, the function, will clean the stack. So this is what it looks like. So now in here, you notice I've already deleted this line where the caller cleans the stack. Now the callee is cleaning the stack. So how does the callee still clean the stack? Remember, the callee has a return function. So incidentally, the return function accepts parameter. In this case, you can pass it a parameter, and normally the parameter that you pass it is the amount of bytes you want to clean. So in this case here it is 12, so you pass 12. So the return 12 here has two functions, two significance. First thing it does is it will pop this address of the stack into the EIP register so that it can go back to the address after the call. The second thing it does is it cleans the stack. That means it adds 12 to the stack pointer. So this is the meaning of read 12. Read 12 means it's the same thing as add 12 to ESP. So this is how the callee or the child function cleans the stack. So now we are going to take a look at this second way of cleaning the stack and see how it works in code. Use your x64-dbg. What I did was I took the earlier code 72 code. I took the earlier code, which is this code here, 72 stack calling convention, and what I did was I changed certain parts. So this is the part I changed. I deleted this line here which contained the code to clean the stack. So this is the line that I deleted. Let me show you again. This is the line that I deleted. I just know of it. And then what I did was I went to the code cave and added and modified the return here to add a parameter to the return. So I went to the code cave and I add 12 here, and C here is the hex value for 12. So those are the two changes I made, and then after that I patch it and save it under a different file name, a new file name, and call it 73-cleaning stack with RET-exe. That's all. So I urge you to do it also, so that you have some additional practice on how to code in the assembly. So let's get back to the main function now and see it working. put a breakpoint at this address here and run to it. Then step over it one by one, and you can see now 3, A and 5 are being pushed to the stack. So the next one is 5. So now they have these 3 here on the stack, 3, 10 and 5, these 3. Now we are going to step into this call. So when you step into this call, it's going to push the return address to the stack. So this address will be pushed to the stack next. So let's see that happening. We step into the call, and now the return address is pushed onto the top of the stack, and below that we have the three earlier pushes, 3, 10 and 5. And now let's step over this. It will move this data 5, 10 and 3 into the registers EAX, EBX and ECX. So let's step over line by line, and it's moved 1, 2 and 3. All the three values from the stack is now moved into EAX, EBX and ECX. Then it performs the calculation, so let it do that. And now here is where it's different. Here it's going to do two things. It's going to pop this value off the stack, and at the same time it's going to clean the stack, so that the stack pointer will move to this address here, 64FED8, and point to this address, which was the address it was at prior to the pushes in the main function. So let's step over and see that happening. And there, true enough, it now pops all the 3 above address. It pops this address to the EIP register. You can see EIP is now got that address, and it's gone back there now. And it's also clean the stack. So now the new stack pointer is the top of the stack pointer is the new address at the bottom here. So this is how your callee cleans the stack, and this method is called the standard call convention. So this is how you can clean the stack, and you should know both methods of how stacks are being cleaned. It is important to know this so that you will not be confused as to why sometimes you see this add ESP12 but sometimes you don't see it. If you don't see it, this line after the call, it means that it is using the standard call convention where the child function cleans the stack. If you see a plus ESP after a call, it means that it is using the CDECL convention. CDECL is this one, CDECL convention, where it is the caller who cleans the stack. And if you are going to inject code into any programs, you have to be careful to clean the stack if you're not using the red to clean the stack. Alternatively, if you want to use the red to clean the stack, then you should not clean the stack here. Just pass the parameter to the stack containing the number of bytes you want to clean. So you have to choose either this or this if you are going to inject code inside any other programs that you are cracking. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.